Hey, what's going on, dudes? It's Brennan here, and I want you to pay close attention to this video because I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently with these bonuses that I'm giving to you. So as you're watching this video, depending on when you're watching it, this is either already live or it's going to be live in the near future. I want to give you a heads up about this for a couple of reasons. First of all, this tool is incredibly professional, and it should be in any serious marketer's toolbox. Every single person that wants to get results online, wants to generate traffic, should have this tool at their disposal. And I'll get into a second what this actually does. And secondly, the bonuses that I'm going to give you guys for this, they're the best bonus package that we've ever put out there, but they're only going to be available for the first 6 hours. Okay, and that's why I want to give you this heads up about this bonus package, because there is a very short window to pick this up. Now, what I recommend is put this into your calendar, give yourself a heads up about this so you don't accidentally, miss the boat on this one. And I'll explain to you guys now what this is all about. So this tool is $67. It's not $10, it's not $20, it's $67, okay? So it's got a bit of a higher price to it. The reason for that is because it does something incredibly powerful. It takes videos and it distributes them to tons of different platforms that are not already saturated by videos. So you have Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, all of these platforms you don't even think about as being video platforms, but they accept videos, and for that reason they are wide open. Now, one of the biggest ones is called TikTok, which is a new platform that's getting a lot of traction, and it's kind of like YouTube was in the early stages, where you can get in there and you can really milk it for all it's worth. Now, as far as people, the thing is, everybody knows that videos are the main way to get traffic, but nobody wants to create the videos, and that's where my bonus comes in. Because I don't know if you guys know this or not, I'm sure some of you guys that have been following me for a few years already know this, but I have a successful YouTube channel with about 60,000 YouTube subscribers and generated millions of views with my videos. What I'm going to allow you to do is steal all of my videos, and I'm serious, guys. Take all of my videos and use them as if they are your own and make money with them and monetize them however you want. Now, my focus isn't really on YouTube anymore. Every once in a while I'll go back there, I put a tutorial or whatever. So I don't mind if you take these videos and you use them, and then with this software you can monetize them how you want. So they actually make it so that they benefit you. Now, honestly, what I was really thinking about with this was, how could I create a bonus that most helps you guys get the most results out of this software, right? So I thought, this software is amazing, but there's not a lot of people that have tons of videos at their disposal that they can use with it. So why don't I just take care of that problem for you guys? Now, as far as the tool itself, guys, if you want, you can take a look at click on the button down below this video. It's going to take you to the page. There's more information on this. These guys only release a couple products per year, and every product that they release is generally perceived to be one of the products of the year. So they have a very consistent track record on only releasing good stuff, and it's not very often where they do release stuff like this. So I highly recommend it, that you take advantage of it. I do think that this is something that everyone should have in their toolkit, because video is where the traffic is, and this is a tool that is taking advantage of video on platforms that are really ripe for the taking, uncompetitive, and where you can really get a competitive advantage on. That being said, guys, you know that usually when I do these reviews, I say do it or don't do it. This one I'm a little bit stronger on, because I do think that this is a once in a year kind of tool to get into your toolbox. But of course, it is your decision. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions about this or anything else, never hesitate to hit up me or my team. We would be happy to help you out, guys. I think there's also going to be a demo video on that page as well, so you can go check it out. I don't think there's anything else for me to tell you. I can't really think of anything in this time, so I'm going to close down this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye for now.